This is my Traxxas Telluride, and a few days ago, I broke a part of the steering system. So I got this brand new Bellcrank set. Let's throw it in the truck, then we can take it outside and test it out. There we go, we got it all put back together. Now we can take it outside and test it out. So far, the new Bellcrank works perfectly. If you want to see another awesome video about this truck, click right here for that. And if you want to see a full playlist about videos on this truck, click right here for that, and I'll see you over there.